Hello, hi, good morning everyone. I just wanted to show you a simple demo of the training simulation CLM tool which has been developed by EvaLex internally. So over here you see the dashboard. So this simulation tool is exactly in the same UI user interface level where an enterprise level CLM tool functions. Whosoever is able to understand this simulation tool will can and easily work into any enterprise level CLM tool, actual CLM tool, which is used by many big companies, which is United Lex, Seran Labs, PwC, ENY, be is iCertis tool or a DocuSign tool or any tool CLM tool. You can use those tool very easily and you can understand the CLM process very easily if you run through this tool mindfully. Okay, so let's go into the details of this tool. So this is the dashboard of the tool. Whenever you click on any stages, like this is the contracts, contract type, parties, where the contract status is right now. So it's under review status, executed status, approved status. Just click on the under review status or any status you click on, you get into the structure of that. You will see the overview of that structure. Then you go back, then you have one more space over here, guidelines. In the guidelines you will understand how this tool functions, why this tool is needed, and how you can make most use of it. Okay, so now you go to the start flow. When you go to the start flow, you will find each stages of CLM, contract lifecycle management, like where it is intake. It starts with intake portal where you upload the document. Then you go to the capture metadata. Then you go to workspace. Then you go to legal review where redlining is there, abstraction will be there. Then you go to approved stage. Then you go to executed stage. Over here it goes. Then you go to the practical portion where you yourself will analyze and understand how to function each step. Each step is learning outcome is given, how to do it, how to identify it. Everything is there in this tool. Okay, so every here it's contract intake stage is the metadata, risk identification stage is there, legal review, redlining stage is the approval governance stage is there. Okay, now you go to, so over here it's already written important simulation notice. You are not using live legal software. You are performing CLM work in a simulation environment. This is exactly how junior CLM legal ops professionals are trained, focusing on the processes, decisions and data structure before touching live contracts. Okay. Now you go to, this is the practical part. That's why this important simulation notice is there. Now you go to the simulator. Now, if you go to the simulator, you'll find the playbook of the simulator completely. You have an option to download as well. Then you go to the life cycle. Each life cycle intake is there, scope is there. So whenever you click on any space, scope, drafting, review, negotiation, anywhere, you find a list which is popping up and you can read that. This gives you a complete understanding how this every stage functions. Now you go to the redlining part. You will understand how to do redlining over here. You go to the abstraction part. You will understand how an abstraction is done over here. Then you go to the drafting part. There are two forms of drafting, that is template drafting and free-form drafting. In the template drafting, you will have complete list over here, how to do the drafting over here. Then you go to the free-form drafting. Okay, you have a free-form drafting over here. Okay, now you go to the templates. You have get a complete template over here of every kind of documents which is possible, like master service agreement, statements, SAOs, employment agreement, independent contract agreement, licensing agreement, partnership agreement. So whenever you click, you will get that agreement template over here. So this is how this simulation tool can be used. There is many more into this. I cannot explain everything on this video. This video is just to make you understand and give you an overview about how this CLM tool, simulation CLM tool is there, and how you can make most benefit out of that. So please be very mindful, very diligent, and while using this tool will give you a numerous way of learning into the CLM process. So thank you everyone for seeing this video and get informed about it. Thank you so much.